Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn how to read the CSV file. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to create the CSV file. So let's copy this and I'm going to name the file that is data.csv. Okay, so here we go with create a new file. Okay, data.csv, and let's, okay, sorry, there is an issue. Rename this path. Okay, let's put the code. Okay, data.csv is ready. Now we're going to add the code into our Python. Okay, so just copy this and paste it our main file. Okay, so just scroll down. Okay, so here we go with this one. So reading a file, first of all we are going to read the CSV file. So here we are importing the CSV. Read the CSV file with data.csv in the read mode, CSV file, then csv.reader to read the file, print each row. So it will print each row of that one. And if you want to write to a CSV file, then name, age, and the country. And here we have the name, age, country is not there. So let's make it email and the occupation. Okay. So in the files, let's add the name, age, email, and occupation. Okay, so email we will add test@gmail.com, test@gmail.com, and occupation we have to add anything, testing, painting, and a job. Okay, so let's try to write this right into a CSV file. Okay, read mode, new line, CSV, write this one and write each rows. Okay, so write rows, all the data will help you to write into the CSV. Save this, let's try to run it. And here you can see all the data we have. So these are all the data that we have. First, reading the content. Okay, so this is the reading the content, whatever the content we have, name, age, email, and the occupation, Diana till. Okay, all we have reading the contents. After that we have the next we have the writing to the CSV file, that is Alice and the Bob. Okay, so Alice and the Bob is already, but the content is different. I think Alice and let's remove these two lines and let's run the code. Let's see what will happen. Now it's saying Charlie and the Dinah, but the contents of that one is not written. Email, occupation, anything we miss, test, the CSV line, writing to the CSV file, output.csv. Okay, so basically previous one is the data.csv for reading the file, but for writing the file we are using the output.csv. So all the data go to the output.csv. So I think the data is written in this file. Okay, so where we have writing these files, otherwise you can use the append mode also. Okay, for that one, appending the data into the CSV, right? We will do it later on. Okay, so here you can see that first we have to read the file. Okay, read the CSV. After that, if you want to write into the CSV, then you have to give the file name. If let's give the file name of this one, okay, then what will happen? Let's check this one also, data.csv in the write mode. Let's see what will happen. So currently reading this one, and let's check the writing the data. You can see the data is writing but overriding, not appending. So let's try change it the append mode, then what will happen? Okay, let's see the data.csv. You can see the whole data is appending, name, age, and that one, so you can skip that one. Okay, if you want to append, you don't need to add this name one part. Okay, so if I just remove this array, then what will happen? This is that one. There is an issue. There is a name block. If you don't require this, okay, so it's giving me the error for that, and we can't delete this. There's a comma, right? That's the reason. Save this and make it Alice 2. Let's see, Alice 2, Bob 2. Okay, let's try to add the data. Let's go to the terminal and let's add, and let's go and check the data.csv, Alice 2, Bob 2. So this is how you can append the data into the existing file also. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.